So first of all, what is Profit 365? It's a product that teaches you affiliate marketing with PPC. He teaches solo ads, email marketing, and Clickbank marketing as a vendor. So those are three business models. He also teaches some free traffic as well. That's the general idea of what the product is. Let's look at a walkthrough here. When you come to the members area, the first page is going to give you a welcome video by Jamie. It's 23 minutes right here. He's going to go over just a general overview of those three business models, the PPC, solo ads, and then becoming a vendor on Clickbank and having affiliates market for you. And then at the end of the video, he's in a live studio with students, and they ask him questions like, if you only had $1,000 and you worked full time, and what would you do? Those kind of questions. So that's really a valuable video right there. This other one right here, he's just going to give you a walkthrough of the members area, just give you an idea of what to expect. And that's just a real short one, 8 minutes. This VIP center is if you are upgraded into any of the upsells. Solo ads, creative and resources, that's going to give you right here, this is all the swipes that he's ever used. I don't know, there's like hundreds of them there. Some downloads of things that he uses, all of his video databases, which is very worth a lot of money right there. And then the training that you'll get is going to be weekly with him. That was one of the upgrades. But it's just as a basic member, you can register. I think it's just one time for his live training. Let's see here. Yeah, because these other ones here, let's see. I'm not sure if you can register for all of those, but anyway, there's ongoing training there. And then the videos, the first one series is going to be on solo ads, and that's with Andrea here and Jamie. They teach you everything about becoming successful with solo ads. That's going to be, looks like there's 8 videos in here. And then the second video series is going to be with Jamie. And they're all going to be tutorials on how to make all these business models work. Now he said he does not only the paid, but he's going to teach you some free traffic with YouTube. So those are 8 different videos in there. And then again, the resources is going to be where you click to register for his live webinar. And then of course he's got support there. But I wanted to show you on the home page here, he has done for you solo ad campaigns where he has, I'm just going to show you one here, but there's 40 of them listed on this page in all of the profitable niches. So he's already done all the research for you. He has the solo ad text copy, the email swipe, all the keywords, and the hop link for the Clickbank product that you're going to be promoting. So that's super valuable. There's 40 of them there, so it's pretty much done for you. You can just find a solo ad vendor, plug that in, and be able to make some profit there. So I think, first of all, the pros of this product are going to be it's low cost, of course, $34. The upsells really aren't all that much considering what you get with them. There's a money-back guarantee, of course, because it is a Clickbank product. Good quality videos. I think that, a lot of the Clickbank products that I review, the content in there is just, it's not good at all, but he has really good quality videos, quality information. He teaches a proven business model. Those 3 business models that he talks about, they work. And so he's teaching you things that do absolutely work. And then there's ongoing training with weekly webinars, and that's really important that you have the support when you start something like this, that you want to have your questions answered. So he does have good support. He does have weekly webinars. So those are the pros. and of course you could make some good money with it. The cons, I kind of had a hard time coming up with many cons, but there is a learning curve. So, he, in his sales video, which I really liked, he goes up to people and he shows them his phone and he shows them his Clickbank account, how he's making all this money every single day. So, you have to know that you're not going to come in here and make the kind of money that Jamie makes. It may not be as easy as it seems, but not to say that you can't make money, because you absolutely can. And if you're going to do paid advertising, you're going to need a budget, so that can be kind of expensive. But again, he does teach you some free methods as well, which will take longer. But if you don't have the budget for paid marketing, it may take you a little bit longer to make some money, and maybe not make it quite as much as you do with the paid advertising that he teaches. So all in all, I think it's a really good product. I have reviewed 2 of his products. I feel like his products, as opposed to a lot of them that I do review on Clickbank products, I feel like his are quality products, and he does deliver. He does over deliver, actually, I think. So that's my product 365 review. If you guys found value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below this video.